How to improve battery life on iPhone.
Drop a like if this helps. Let's go. Learn passive income concepts. Click the link down below.
The first step, once you're on settings, is to scroll down, click on general, scroll down till you see background app refresh. Make sure this is turned off, as this will refresh all of the applications that you have and drain your iPhone battery life. Go back underneath settings, you want to scroll down until you locate privacy and security. Click on location services. Make sure that this is turned off. It's turned on, turned off. This will drain your iPhone battery. Turning this off will drastically. Click on tracking. Make sure this is also turned off. As you can see, it's turned off, turned on. Go back. Next thing you can do is locate battery, low exposure notifications. Make sure that the low power mode is turned on. This will significantly improve the battery life. Scroll up underneath airplane mode. You can click here to enable airplane mode. This will drastically improve the iPhone battery life. If you want, if you have a lot of apps on your device, you can delete them to improve the iPhone battery life.